In this video, I'll show you how you can get access to Nookal API key. So I'm in my dashboard. At the top, if I click on setup, I'll see all the setups. Now on the left-hand side, there's a section called connections. If you click on that, it will show you integrations and then API keys. So you want to click on API keys. It will show you the previous API keys that you have. Usually, you probably don't have this one, so you want to create a new one. So if you look down at the bottom right, it says generate API key. So you click on that, and it automatically creates a new API key. So all you need to do, you make sure that all of these are ticked in. So this is the new one. I'm going to call this, I'm going to close that one. I turn this, key enabled, make sure it is enabled, everything is clicked on, and you copy the whole thing. So make sure that you select everything, right click, copy, and then you go ahead and paste it inside the Clinical Connect platform. Thank you. Bye.